What's up, guys? I'm the washer and dryer guy. I've been repairing and refurbing washers and dryers since 2011. If this video helps you, please like and subscribe. If you have any questions, put them in the comments below and I will answer you. Alright guys, I'm going to talk about the number 2 thing that sped up my fixing washer and dryer business, like how I fix things with a whole lot more speed. And it's getting in an assembly line type situation. Even though I'm one guy, when I'm working on stuff, and right now these are just stored here because it was raining. This is not normally what this would look like. What it normally look like is just dryers and just a certain type of dryers. And then I will just work on dryers until I'm out of those type of dryers. Then I'll move on to washers. Then I'll just work on that type of washer until I'm out of those type of washers. And the reason for this is you get a whole lot faster at it. Occasionally you'll run into a dryer or a washer that either you can't fix for whatever reason, could be too expensive, could just be so torn up you don't want to fix it, it just looks like junk, and you can move it off to one side and start using it for parts for the rest of them that are exactly the same that you're going through. So definitely when I'm doing this, I try to organize it by just fixing one thing. So number 2 thing, number 1, I said in the last video, nice clear floor space. Number 2, just work on one type of thing. If you have a pile of washers and dryers that you're going through, just separate them out to, especially these type. If you have a filter out the top machines, just work on just filter out the top machines. If you know what I like to go to is Paul's Plays. If you're working on Paul's Plays, just work on Paul's Plays. Keep going through Paul's Plays. They're super aggravated machines, but it's the same problems over and over and over again. I'll just work on Paul's Play. Then I'll move on to something like direct drives. I'll just do just direct drive over and over and over and over again. Just direct drive over and over and over again. Doesn't matter what the brand is. If it's direct drive, I'm just going to work on that. And then when you're done doing that, you'll just move on to the next thing. A lot of times I'll have a bunch in ready to go storage, which is this black trailer out here. It's covered. So after I'm done fixing them, I'll paint them. I'll put them in that trailer and they'll just be ready to go. And that's pretty much what my routine is. So last video I talked about space. This video we're talking about how to become more efficient. Just become your own personal assembly line and do one type of washer or dryer at a time. All right guys, please like this video and subscribe. I'm going to make a series, so hit that bell notification and you'll know when the next one comes up, and I'll see if I can teach a couple people that want to learn how to get into the refurb business, how to get in the refurb business. Put comments down below. Let me know what you want to know about this business and I'll answer you. Hey guys, thanks for watching. If this video helped, please like and subscribe. It really helps the channel. And if you have any questions at all, put them in the comments below and I'll be sure to answer them.